Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I came across a product that I found from the drugstore and it's relatively new. This is a strobe jelly and basically it's like a strobe cream in a jelly form. Looking at their website, it just describes this as a radiant highlighter in a gel with an ultra fresh feeling luminous base used on its own or overlay a powder. The pink champagne tone suits most skin tones. So I purchased this one from Farmers, which is like a New Zealand department store, for $22.99, but I looked at their official website and they were selling this for $19.99 US. This is honestly the first time I am going to try any gel or cream highlighter because I have oily skin and I try to stay away from any cream or gel form. So I've already applied my foundation and I have not set my face except for my under eye area because it started to crease. The packaging comes with 15 grams of product, so that's a lot of product, and it came with a stopper. On that, this is what the cream looks like. I am going to touch and show you guys. So it has that very bouncy feel to it. The consistency almost reminds me of the gel moisturizer. I'm going to swatch this and this is what it looks like blended, and as you can see it's more of a iridescent pink. So it says that it suits most skin tones, but on my skin tone it kind of comes off as a kind of unicorny pink slash purpley highlight, which could be great as a blush topper. Feels cold to the touch. It feels very nice and cooling on my skin. It blends out beautifully and it dries down relatively quick, so once it dries you can't really rub it off, which is a good thing. What I'm going to do is try to apply the product underneath my powder and then I'm going to apply it on top of the powder to see how it applies. My tool of application will have to be my finger because I feel like that's the best tool that I could use when it comes to cream or this kind of product. So I grab that much. I'm going to tap a little bit on my hands and apply, oh dear, apply that on my skin. Okay, I think I applied a little bit too much. It kind of dries a little bit faster, so you're gonna have to work quickly with this one. It blends beautifully, though you could clearly see like a pink streak on my face, but it does not highlight or accentuate my bumps around this area right here. It kind of blends into my skin and it looks rather natural. So I'm going to apply the same amount on the other side. So I'm going to try that on my nose area. One thing I'd like to say is that it doesn't break your foundation apart, which is a good thing because usually most gel or cream products tend to break or take off your foundation, but this one does not do that, so that's pretty good. I'm actually going to try and apply that in my lid, just in the middle part. Ooh, that's really pretty. I feel like for no makeup days this will be a great product to try. I might actually try and put that on my Cupid's bow as well. Now that I'm a little bit glowed up, I'm going to try and finish off my makeup and then we'll try to apply the strobe gel again on top of the powder to see if it'll do anything miraculous or it will disturb the consistency of the powder. So I'll be right back. Looking on my skin, the sheen is still there. I could still see like the specks of glitter and the pink sheen that's on my cheeks, and then on my nose. Usually when I powder my nose, like everything disappears, but tip of my nose is still glowing, and so as on this side right here. And my Cupid's bow, I didn't put that much so it's not that visible, but the sheen is still there. And that's pretty good. I mean, that's a great drugstore product. So now what I'm going to do is apply some more on top of the cheeks to see how well it will react on the skin on top of the powder. So we'll try just the really high points of my face. So this here. It's still blending out okay on top of the powder, so that's a good sign. So they really lived up to their claim of it being worn underneath or on top of powder. It does not take away the foundation or like break the powder apart, but it just adds a little bit of luminosity to it. It doesn't cake up or gather around the spots where you apply this product and then powder it on top. This is what it looks like after I put it on top of the powder. At first I thought that I would be able to actually see like this shade of pink, but looking at it now, it kind of looks like rosy tone highlight, which is pretty nice. I love it specifically on my nose because it kind of just pulled everything up forward. I really like this highlighter. It's different and it's from the drugstore. You could find multiple ways to use this. So for $20, who needs to pay for like $100 worth of a jelly strobe cream if you have this with your spare $20? This will be great for no makeup as well, because you can put it on your lids, your inner corner, to highlight everything. I will definitely use this, not every day, but I will incorporate it on my everyday makeup routine because it feels natural. It doesn't budge at all. Like no matter how much I rub the product, the swatch still stays on the same area. I will definitely bring this product on my holiday because in a couple of weeks I am going over to a tropical country, so I will do like a review on how this product will wear after I swim or sweat or do like activities under the sun where it involves a lot of sweating, water, and whatnot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to check out this product, especially if you live in New Zealand and Australia. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will catch you on my next one.